Trucks Kings number 2. There's our king Gargoyle. These trucks are watching, and now these forts are taking the king. Let's see who takes it.
Smash, baby.
Okay, let's see. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 versus Shady Camaro. Hot Wheels Racing number 1 takes this.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, moves on to championship. Bone Shaker versus Twin Mill. Bone Shaker.
Crash or smash, babies.
Up now, these are the championship race. Who is going to a king round? Hot Wheels Racing 1 or Bone Shaker? Hot Wheels Racing number 1 moves on to king round. Now,
Challenge accepted.
let's see.
No, I can win because I'm the Devil Arena. Oh, looks like.
My brother took it, but don't worry.
No, I win. I'm the realest king. No, I'm the king.
Remove your legs. Okay, Hot Wheels Racing number 1 takes the win. Let's switch the lane. Our king has fallen.
He got the new king of the hill. Is Hot Wheels Racing number 1.
Hot Wheels Racing number 1 is the Monster Trucks King.
The Dirty Devil Arena.
Daredevil. Yeah, Hot Wheels Racing number 1 is the king.
Challenge accepted.
Oh no, Gargoyle. Try better next time. And these are the kings. These are the kings fallen. And Hot Wheels Racing number 1 taking the king.
Challenge accepted.